Good morning sa mga followers sa Nitro Fish Garage. Nandito si Kuya Ron dito sa shop natin sa Cavite. So meron tayong dumating na project ngayon, isang Suzuki Jimny. Etong Suzuki Jimny to, ang owner nito is a retiree na. So ang gusto niya lang, medyo magkaroon ng konting tunog yung kotse niya. Pero ayaw niya nung axle ba kasi gusto niya meron din talagang lumabas na tunog na moderate sound. So pagka ganun ang gusto ng client natin, we will do a cutback system. Pagka cutback system ng ganitong kotse, paano yan? Ito po, papakita natin. Okay, for Jimny users, no, ganito ang composition ng stock exhaust nyo. Una, meron tayong downpipe header doon sa taas. Tapos may catalytic po ron. Tapos may flange, may connection siya. Meron na namang catalytic dito, secondary. Tapos meron na namang connection dito, flange. Ito na yung mid pipes, no? May option ng mga Jimny owners na to remove the secondary kasi may flange to flange pa rito. So pagka gusto ng mas tumutunog yung sasakyan, pwede nating tanggalin yung secondary. Yung client natin is a retiree. Sabi niya ayaw niyang tanggalin yung secondary catalytic niya kasi hindi naman siya talaga, ayaw niya rin na sobrang ingay. So ang suggestion ko, and then gusto rin talaga niya, is huwag tanggalin yung catalytic para raw hindi magkaroon ng emissions problem. Pero dito naman sa atin, wala pa tayong problema pag nagtatanggal tayo ng secondary catalytic. So, pero just to be safe, yung may-ari ayaw niya talagang tanggalin. So we will abide dun sa gusto ng may-ari. Siyempre siya yung may-ari ng sasakyan. So dito tayo magsisimula after these two catalytic. So ito yung real cutback. Wala tayong dinilit na catalytic, even the secondary. So ang gagawin natin, lalakyan natin yung pipe size diameter ng stock. We will put 2 inches diameter. Tapos maglalagay ako ng custom resonator natin dito sa gitna. And then sa dulo, ang sabi niya sa akin, gusto niya yung tunog ng borla. So what we will use muffler niya is yung Borla XS Pro para hindi naman masyadong matapang yung tunog. So Borla XS Pro is a muffler na nagbibigay lang ng clean, bassy tone, especially for gas engine. Ito, gas engine tong Suzuki Jimny. So yun na ilalagay natin. At ang kagandahan sa Borla, horizontally placed kasi yung stock na muffler, may puporma rin natin na horizontally placed yung pinaka-Borla XS Pro muffler. And then gagamit tayo ng isang tip lang dito. Borla Polish round tip. So, yan ang gagawin natin sa project na to. Cutback exhaust system. Tapos, gagamit tayo ng Borla products, Borla XS Pro, tapos Borla tip dito. Panoorin po natin.
Out here getting this beef, you work for the devil, better retreat. Coming too icy, coming too clean, could never move shady, ain't no feed.
Shotgun, London, what's the outcome? You know, I'm a madman, just can't stick to the program. Raise up the heat, keeping the tension, shifting the gear to a different dimension. Red light, speed up, take off, slide up. Hop on the front door, it's like midnight, 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 midnight. Don't lose your grip, cause you might fall out again. Off-white whip, need for speed. I'm not switching the lane. Pick up the pace. Roll like that, and we're back to the base.
Back to the base. Back to the base. I could never act. Been tryna stack up racks on racks. Boys in the back wearing all black, staying on track. Better show your gun, and that's on me. Out here getting this beef, you work for the devil, better retreat. Coming too icy, coming too clean, could never move shady, ain't no feed.
Shotgun, London, what's the...
Okay, we're done with this project dito sa Suzuki Jimny. Ang ginawa natin, cutback exhaust after these two catalytic. Yung katulad ng sabi ko kanina, we have 2 catalytics, one sa taas, sa primary, and then secondary dito. Pero nagsimula tayo doon sa secondary after nun. Doon na tayo nag-start magtubo. Tapos naglagay pa rin ako ng 12 inches resonator. And then pagdating dito sa dulo, ang napili na muffler na ilagay si Sir is Borla XS Pro. Yung XS Pro, ginawa pa rin nating horizontal yung placement katulad ng stock para hindi po malayo sa original design ng stock exhaust. And then, pagdating din sa dulo, Borla tip syempre. Kasi gumamit tayo ng mga Borla components. So, panoorin na po natin yung comparison video nito. Kanina na-stock pa yung exhaust. Tapos ngayon, nakapalitan ng cutback exhaust using Borla products, Borla XS Pro, tsaka Borla Polish tip. Ito po yung sound check. Panoorin natin.
Back to the base.
Back to the base.